Hi, it is so wonderful to be able to speak to you about the celebration we had for Earth Day 2025 right here at CSU Chico State, and meeting with the students and the teachers all through the Regenerative Agricultural Institute, which is one of the first in the nation. I have to tell you, the students were fantastic. The Ag Ambassadors and their director of the Regenerative Ag Institute, Dr. Cindy Daly, gave fabulous tours. We started with the dairy that was behind us. The governor and the first partner both milked a dairy cow, a beautiful little gentle dairy cow. We learned about what they're going to be doing in making cheese. We got to see, and the governor was very excited to see, the beautiful building that the front half will have the new CSU Chico farm store, where they'll sell meat and cheese and other products that are grown right here on this very large educational farm. It was exciting to see that because it was about 4 or 5 years ago that the governor included $75 million for, at that time, the 4 CSU farm schools to be able to do some upgrades on some of their antiquated buildings and equipment. So it was fun to see something so tangible that's going to be so meaningful for the students to learn the whole system of what it means to have local, resilient, climate-smart food systems. We went through the meat production side and tasted some delicious sausage. And then we had 2 really fabulous panels here at a lunch that was served by the food service director here at CSU Chico. Really want to thank Dr. Perez, Dr. Daly, the fabulous students, and the instructors who are so passionate and dedicated. It's all about caring for the earth, caring for children, helping our communities to be resilient economically, environmentally, and in health. And kudos to my boss, the governor, and the inspiring first partner, Jennifer Siebel Newsom. A wonderful way to celebrate Earth Day 2025.